to my channel. Today, let's see the last two Natta Adavus. I will first do the seventh one and later break it down for you all. Kitta, ta, ka, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha. Let's learn the leg first. We are going to sit in Aramandi, extend our right foot in 45 degrees, hit our left leg and then place our right leg behind our left leg in swastika and hit our left leg. Now we are going to do the first Natta Adavu, that is extend your right leg 45 degrees, come back and then left in 45 degrees, then come back. The same is going to repeat in the left side, that is tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha. Hand is pretty simple. You're going to keep Tripataka, Hasta and start Natyaramba. You're going to first take your right hand towards your right feet, hit your left leg, then make a circle or semicircle and come up above your head and place your right leg behind in swastika, hit your left leg. Now come back for a second. So this is not a count. You can directly take it back, but it doesn't look good to me. It's just my approach. So what I do is go down, hit, come up. You can also come down for the fourth count and then do tai, hit, ta, ha. Same thing will repeat in the left side, that is kitta, ta, ka, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha. Now let's do this in 3 speeds. Kitta, ta, ka, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, kitta, ta, ka, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha. Kira ta, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, ta, tai, dum, ta, ka, ta, te, kinna, to. Let's see the 8th Natta Adavu now. So with this Natta Adavu, you might see a lot of variations, but this is how I have learned later on. I had learned a different version before as well. So feel free to follow. You can also learn this as a new variation or just a new addition to what you have learned before. I will first do it and then break it down for you all. Kitta, ta, ka, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha, tai, dum, da, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha. Let's see the leg work first. It's similar to 7th one. You're going to do tai, yum, da, ta. From here, it's a slight jump, that is from swastika you're going to come to samapada. So you can do jump. You can definitely jump more. So it's going to look tai, yum, da, ta, tai. From here, you're going to tap your left leg and lift your right leg and place it on your left knee. From here, we are going to go down in Purnamandi and come down. Come up. So I'll just do the whole leg once. Kitta, takka, tai, yum, dat, tak, tai, hit, ta, ha, tai, yum, dat, tak, tai, hit, ta, ha. Let's learn hands now. We are going to first do, you are going to extend your hand in Ala Padma, semicircle, and then hit your left leg. Come back and do Pasha, Hasta above your head, and then again hit your left leg. When you come to Samapada, you are going to open this and come to Katakamukha. From Katakamukha, you are going to come to Ala Padma and then Natyaramba. Okay, let's do it once. Tai, yum, dat, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha, tai, yum, dat, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha. Let's do this in 3 speeds. I might not speak while I'm doing the third or second speed because it strains your body. Let's start. Kitta, takka, tai, yum, dat, ta, tai, hit, ta, ha, 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 tai, yum, hit, ta, ha, tai, yum. This ends our Adavu, that is from 1st to 8th count. In the next episode, we are going to do a compilation from 1st to 8th one. In that video, we'll also see how to practice Adavus without actually speaking or without actually singing, because this just makes me lose my breath a lot of time and not concentrate on my dance. So yes, let's see how to do that in next episode. See you again. Namaste.